Okay, the nitrogen is 200 psi. My gauge is reading 100 psi here, and that's the compressor, soapy water. And I found a leak. First of all, I saw there's oil all over the places, and the leak I found is here, just on the condenser hose.
Condenser line to the compressor.
Yeah. Okay, so put a little bit soap and you can see the. It's not. You see that bubble forming? That's the leak. Just over here. I'm gonna put some more soap and then show you how it looks. Okay. So we found the leak. Now we don't have to do the evaporator on this.
Okay, like I said,